And a lot of us come to America here, and a lot of you come, and a lot of us come, and a lot of people, wherever you live, those of you who are viewing this khutbah worldwide on alhikmattv, Facebook and YouTube, etc., we have problems all over the world. Everybody got their own problems in their own way. But if we put our trust in Allah, and we put our tawakkul and our trust in Allah, Allah will open many doors for us. And Allah opened such a door for Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam that he became the highest in authority after the king. Subhanallah. Now look at the flip side of that. A lot of times people, when we are ill-treated or we are abused or whatever, then when we get into power and we get into authority, what do? Most of the times we take advantage of those who hurt us. Well, in the name of being repaying, we try to get back at those who harmed us. Did Yusuf alayhi do that? He didn't. His brothers who tried to kill him, he brought them into Egypt, gave them a blessed and powerful, successful life. He could have only brought his father. He was the man in authority in Egypt. After the Pharaoh gave him so much power and authority. He could have only brought his father and leave his brothers or his stepbrothers or whatever you want to call them. And say, oh, you guys tried to harm me, you did this to me, you did that to me. Well, today I am this and that. I will see you suffer. He didn't do that, my brothers and sisters. So come on, as Muslims, we were given these lessons in the Quran to learn, to apply in our lifestyle, and we all would have had this in our own time and our own ways. Instead of harming those who tried to kill him, he was kind, he was generous. He brought them to Egypt and let them have a wonderful life.